Hit the panic button to overreact in fear. He hit the panic button during the interview. Stay calm, no need to hit the panic button. Hit the sack to go to bed or go to sleep. I'm really tired, so I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. You look sleepy, you should hit the sack. Hit the road to start a journey. We need to hit the road early if we want to avoid traffic. Let's hit the road before it gets too dark. Hit or miss, something that is unpredictable and it can either be good or bad. The weather in this city is hit or miss. Online shopping is often hit or miss with sizes. Hit rock bottom to reach the lowest point or the worst situation in life. She hit rock bottom emotionally after the breakup. After losing his job, he felt like he had hit rock bottom. Hit the lights to turn the lights on or off. Can you hit the lights? It's getting too bright in here. Before you leave the room, don't forget to hit the lights. Hit the roof to become very angry. My parents hit the roof when I came home late. When he saw the broken window, he hit the roof. Hit the bottle to drink alcohol excessively. He was hitting the bottle at the party all night. Don't hit the bottle too often. It's bad for your health. Hit a nerve to say or do something that makes someone feel upset or hurt. His rude behavior really hit a nerve with her. She hit a nerve when she mentioned his past mistakes. Hit the books to study hard. She hit the books hard to prepare for her final exams. He decided to hit the books instead of going to the party. Hit the nail on the head to say or do something exactly right. You really hit the nail on the head with your explanation. He really hit the nail on the head during the meeting. Hit the brakes to stop or slow down suddenly. He hit the brakes quickly to avoid an accident. I told her to hit the brakes at the corner. Out of the blue, to something happened suddenly and unexpectedly. Out of the blue, my friend visited me at home. The news came out of the blue and left everyone shocked. Under the weather, feeling sick or unwell. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I might stay home. After working non-stop, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Costs an arm and a leg. Something is very expensive. That designer dress costs an arm and a leg. The new computer costs an arm and a leg, but it's worth it. Pull someone's leg to joke or tease someone in a friendly way. I thought he was serious, but he was just pulling my leg. Don't take him seriously. He's only pulling your leg.